Are you looking for a way to start your own business without breaking the bank? If so, you might be interested in these top 5 business opportunities you can join for less than $100. These are low-cost, high-reward options that can help you earn extra income or even replace your full-time job. These are not get-rich-quick schemes, but legitimate opportunities to earn money by providing value to your customers. 1. Affiliate marketing. 2Connect is a platform that helps you join the best online opportunities for your goals and budget. They provide you with a powerful marketing system to assist you in building your business. They leverage the power of one team through a unique system that allows you to benefit from the efforts of other members in your team. Along with your help, they build one team with plenty of spillover for you to enjoy multiple streams of income for years. This is a popular online business model where you earn a commission for every sale generated. 2. Graphic design. If you have a flair for design, you can create logos, flyers, posters, infographics, and other graphics for clients who need them. You can use free or low-cost tools like Canva, GIMP, or Inkscape to create your designs. You can also find graphic design jobs on platforms like 99 Designs, DesignCrowd, or Dribbble. 3. Online tutoring. If you have a skill or a subject that you are good at, you can teach it to others online. You can use platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or Teachable to create and sell your own courses, or you can join platforms like Weezant, Chegg, or Tutor.com to offer one-on-one tutoring sessions. You only need a webcam and a microphone to teach online. 4. Social media management. If you are savvy with social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or LinkedIn, you can help businesses grow their online presence and reach their target audience. You can offer services like creating and posting content, engaging with followers, running ads, and analyzing metrics. You can find social media management jobs on platforms like FlexJobs, Indeed, or People Per Hour. 5. Virtual assistant. If you are organized and reliable, you can offer your administrative skills to busy entrepreneurs and professionals who need help with tasks like email management, calendar management, data entry, research, booking travel arrangements, etc. You can find virtual assistant jobs on platforms like Fancy Hands, Belay, or Zirtual. Please follow us to www.2connect.com and register for free. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to learn more about our products and services.